to fix there is a billing problem with a previous purchase on iPhone. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will guide you through the steps on how you can fix if your iPhone says billing problem with previous purchases or verification required. So make sure to watch the video till the end. If these messages appear, you might actually be unable to make purchases. So for this, you need to download maybe free apps or maybe use subscriptions, and you're not being able to do so. So to fix this issue, all we have to do is just change our payment methods. And all we have to do is simply open up our settings, tap on your Apple ID profile from the very top of the screen. Once you tap on your Apple ID profile from the very top, over here you'll find an option called payment and shipping. So make sure to tap on payment and shipping option here. As you tap on the payment and shipping option, just make sure to go ahead and then also verify with your Face ID. And once you've done verifying with your Face ID, you should be able to see your current payment method, remove them, and just simply make sure to add a new one. And this should definitely help you solve your problem. This way you should be able to fix there's a billing problem with the previous purchase. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.